Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a really easy salsa, and you're never gonna guess what tool we're gonna use. I also bet you already have it in your kitchen. Let's do this thing. All right, so to start with our easiest ever salsa, you are gonna need a very important tool, your box grater. So we're actually gonna use a couple of the sides, big and small. Not really the very tiny, but we're gonna use two sides to do different size cuts for our salsa. So starting on the big side, we're gonna do our tomato. This is so easy. You could do it with a food processor, you could do it with a knife, but why wash all those dishes when you can just wash one box grater? So we've got our tomato grated. We're gonna grate some onion, just right on top on those big holes. And this is chunky and rustic, you know? It's not like fine puree, evenly chopped. This is just like a beep bop boop, put it together salsa. I like about 1/4 of an onion, about 1/6 of an onion. Do it to your tastes. I think that looks about good. Just get rid of some of these too big chunks. And then I'm gonna switch to the small holes. So we'll just flip this guy around. I'm gonna do just a little bit of jalapeno for a little kick. Perfect. Got a clove of garlic. Careful, because remember, it's a grater, it is sharp. And we are literally just gonna transfer this into our bowl and season it, and it's done. So, let's just get all our goodness out of there. Just wipe off the inside, swipe up there, just so you get everything you've spent your time grating. Same for the other side. Make sure you get everything that's stuck inside. Carefully, not with the grate. Don't grate your fingers, please. Okay, so we have our pile of all our salsa ingredients here. This is gonna go straight into our bowl. Make sure you get all those juices. That's what scrapers are good for. And we're just gonna cut off a little bit of lime. Give it a good squeeze. To taste, if you like it limier, add some more lime. If you don't like it quite so limey and you add too much lime, how do you fix it? Add salt. Salt and acid balance each other out. So you have too much salt, add more lime. We're gonna give it a good salting. We're gonna tear up some cilantro. Cilantro and jalapeno, optional for those who don't like them, but I love them. So I'm gonna put a little extra cilantro just for me, because this is like the perfect personal salsa portion. You know that you're probably gonna want more than this. So add another tomato. It's very easy to adjust, but like, how easy was that? All your dishes are like a knife, a cutting board, and a box grater, and you're probably using the knife and cutting board for something else anyway. So it's just the box grater. I've got some tortilla chips, a nice bowl. Just transfer this right in. Get it everywhere, why not? Put it on some nachos, put it on tacos, put it on your salads and add some vinegar and make it into a salad dressing. This is so easy and so versatile. You can use it on anything, and it's the perfect portion size just for you. You should go make some personal salsa on your box grater and let me know how it turns out.